In custody cases where one parent is seeking to enforce period of parenting time that was existing and by order of the court, and there's another parent trying to stop or prevent or limit the visitations of that other parent. Well, you get to see that all the time. Family, when there's no danger or inappropriate conduct, and inappropriate's a big spectrum, right? But if it's safe for your child to have a visit with the other parent, they're supposed to call at 7 p.m. and they don't call at that 7:15 appropriate. What if they call 7:45? Less appropriate, but maybe a job. But what if they're supposed to call at 7 p.m. and they call it at 8:45 p.m.? What do? Should the one parent enforce the phone call time and say, calling, it's out of bounds, can't call at that time? Or should they field the call, maybe run interference, ask if the call could be made early, let that call go, proceed maybe for a minute or two? I don't know. How do you navigate? We're confronted by this type of activity all the time. Is the parent that's not calling timely, is it a matter of work and maybe that telephone call shouldn't have been directed to be 7 o'clock? Maybe it should have been directed to be 8 p.m. Maybe it should have been 8:30. Also, it depends on the age of the child, right? If the child is 4 or 5, what if the child is 12 to 16? Thinking an 8:30 call or a 9 p.m. call is fine. I have a 16-year-old child. I have a 19 and a 21-year-old. But my 16-year-old is not in bed at 9 o'clock. I don't know. You have to work with the other parent. And the parent should honor the order. So I see it from both ends. The parent that is trying to enforce a period of parenting time, that parent should do everything they can do to comply with the order and make the phone call and step out of work, or I don't know, get out of work and call on a cell phone, right? 7 o'clock, whatever they have to do. Because when the court ordered that there should be phone calls at 7 o'clock on a given day of the week, that was your opportunity to say, no, 7 o'clock I'm at work, or I need it to be 7:30 or 8:30, some other time. But if that order went into effect in the last court, you should honor it. And conversely, the parent that is exercising custodial control, well, maybe they could be a little bit lenient with the time. Maybe a little bit forgiving. But of course they're not going to be forgiving because that's why they're in court fighting over this and other things, right?